the Explorer. Dora's Chilly Day. Hola! Today, Boots and I are visiting Abuela's house. Brr! It's chilly today. Abuela is going to make a chilly day surprise. She needs milk, sugar, and chocolate. Uh-oh, Abuela has run out of chocolate. She can't make the surprise without it. Wait, I know where we can get some. The chocolate tree. Boots and I will go to the chocolate tree to get some chocolate for Abuela. Will you help us? Great! First, we'll need something to help us stay warm outside. Let's look in backpack. Say, backpack. Do you see something that will keep us warm? Right! Some mittens and hats will help us stay warm. Now we're ready to go and see our friend, the chocolate tree. Let's ask Map what the best way is to the chocolate tree. Map says that to get to the chocolate tree, we have to go over the troll bridge and through the nutty forest. Vámonos! Let's go! Brr! The wind sure is strong. What a chilly day! Look! There's Diego. I wonder what Diego likes to do on a chilly day. Diego is bringing some straw to Mama Bluebird so she can build a nice warm nest for her bluebird babies. Nice work, Diego. Come on, we're almost at the troll bridge. We made it to the troll bridge. And there's the grumpy old troll. What do you think the grumpy old troll likes to do on a chilly day? The grumpy old troll likes to make up new riddles. And he has a special chilly day riddle for us.
This riddle is tricky. You'll have to think twice. When water freezes, it turns into...
That's a hard one. Do you know the answer? Ice! Right! Yay! We solved the troll's riddle. Now we can cross the troll bridge. Look! There's our friend the big red chicken. I wonder what the big red chicken likes to do on a chilly day. The big red chicken is knitting a big red scarf. That will help him stay nice and warm. Do you remember where we go next? That's right, the nutty forest. Adios, big red chicken. Uh-oh, that's a very mucky mud puddle. We have to cross it to get to the nutty forest. Do you see a way to get to the other side? We can use those stepping stones. Good thinking! What's that delicious smell? It's coming from Tico's treehouse. Tico likes to bake nutty butter cookies on a chilly day. And he has some cookies for us. Gracias, Tico. Come on, let's hurry. We're almost there. We made it! Hola, chocolate tree! Abuela needs 3 pieces of chocolate for her surprise. Do you see 3 pieces? I can't wait to see what the chilly day surprise is. Let's hurry back to Abuela's house. Remember to keep an eye out for Swiper. That sneaky fox will try to swipe our chocolate. If you see him, say, "Swiper no swiping." brought the chocolate home to Abuela. Now she can make the Chilly Day surprise. Abuela taught us a special chocolate song in Spanish. While Abuela mixes in the chocolate, we can help her by singing. Will you sing with us? Great! Bate, bate, chocolate. Bate, bate, chocolate. Abuela's Chilly Day surprise is hot chocolate. Delicioso! I love drinking hot chocolate on a chilly day. What do you like to do on a chilly day? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And check out my Patreon page to support the channel for as low as $1 a month. And for more Dora the Explorer stories, check out my Dora the Explorer playlist. And if you enjoyed the story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. We'll see you all next time.